Hi, everyone. My name is Jason Wright. I'm an independent insurance agent in downtown Monroe, Georgia. This afternoon, I got in my car and the dash thermometer said 99 degrees, which made me think about cars overheating and insurance coverages. As you know, vehicles are more likely to overheat in the summer because the heat can put a strain on the cooling system. Here are some tips to help you keep your car cool and running smoothly. First, check your coolant levels regularly. Coolant's essential for keeping your engine cool, so it's important to check the levels regularly and top off as needed. Second, inspect your radiator and hoses. The radiator transfers heat away from the engine, so check for leaks and cracks and replace any hoses that are damaged or worn. Next, make sure your fans are working properly. The cooling fans circulate air through the radiator to reduce the heat of the coolant. If the fans are not working, the engine can overheat quickly. And last, avoid idling your car for too long. When you idle your car and just sit in one place, the engine is not getting the airflow it needs to cool down. Having your car serviced regularly will include a check of the cooling system, so it's a good way to catch any problems early on. And talk to your mechanic to make sure you're doing the right things for your car or truck, because I'm definitely not an expert on cars. So why does this matter for insurance? Why is an insurance agent talking about this? Because every so often someone asks me if an engine repair is covered by their policy. Auto insurance policies do not typically cover damage caused by mechanical breakdown. So more than likely, if your car breaks down from overheating, there isn't any coverage through an insurance policy to fix it. As Ben Franklin said, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. And if you have any questions about your car insurance, send me a message or give me a call.